What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to build this giant thing right here with my brother right here, Dawson. Say hi, Dawson.
Hi.
So let's jump right into it.
And
so right here is the model we're going to be making for y'all. So
and you don't have to do it?
You don't have to, but we like to just add like little things like those triangles pieces on each side, on the front and back, balcony here, and just a second story up in the front. Or this is the front. I don't know which one's the front. So
this one's the front.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is gonna be a short video because
we don't have enough storage space to do
so
much.
It cut off, and make sure to check out those last.
So this is our 5th try doing it. So 5th. That's 5. 5.
And we added one on the front. Make
and
sure
yeah,
to
there's
do red and blue.
Yeah, and okay, so let's jump right into it. So first you're gonna need 2 carts like this. Simple enough. And then you're gonna take one and connect it together. Connect them together. And then you're going to put one right there. So first we're making the back. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to put this on. And then we're going to do...
And can you see this?
Yeah, and then you're going to put like a little ladder. They look like E's. So like we'll get into why we put those there in a minute. But then we put that on. So, and then you're just going to put that there, and then put this type of piece right here. And then all you're gonna do is take a lot of these pieces, just put them around the side. It's basically just like a little balcony. Like we said in the start of the video, balcony. And then we're gonna put another one like that. So there's the front. Pretty good. And then you're just gonna start building. No, Dawson. These pieces have to be like this. So make sure when you're building the second story on here, use these pieces like I just told my brother, because you see these little increases right through the Dawson. Don't put that there. See those little creases right in there? That's where this piece is going to be. This piece. So then you're going to want to put another one like that. Make sure it's facing the exact same way. And then you're going to take your square piece, like I was saying, and then just slide it in onto those creases. There. And then you're going to take another solid square piece and put it right there. And then you're going to make the walls for it. Just like so. Yeah. And then we're going to do this here. Now we just got to make the roof. The roof is really simple. Like my brother's doing it now. The roof is just very simple. And there you have it. That's how you build our little thing that we made up.
It's a train.
So we just did this I would say an hour ago is when we made it up. But yeah, this is just our little thing that we did. So yeah.
And make sure to clutch it easy so you don't break anything. So
Dawson, don't take it apart.
So basically, do that. Basically
yeah. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and that like and the bell so you'll be sponsored and, well, not sponsored. Well, if you do own a company, maybe you'll sponsor us one day. But yeah,
and-
so make sure just to smash that subscribe button.
And leave a like if you want to do something with us, and we'll come.
Yeah, just maybe like text us your address or something in the comments down below, and we'll come to your house one day and see you.
Bye.
So yeah, so we'll see y'all in the next video. You can do us out, Dawson.
Bye.